Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Orlins, and in this occasion, I would like to showcase my portfolio PDF design. So, as I know, I got some a project from my English teacher, which is showcasing portfolio video. And at the time, I haven't make or update any of my portfolio yet. So I wondering how can I push my time to finish my portfolio design. So while wondering, I explore my Finder on my Mac, and I found this Buried Treasure on my Finder, which is my old portfolio since I was 10th grade. So just get started. I found this Buried Treasure on my Finder. How can I find this? I don't know why. So I think when I was 10th grade, I make or create some a portfolio design, a portrait, and I create a design which is a vintage theme or maybe a fantasy dream like this. Like there are a burned paper and a marker in here. So just started. So this is the inside of the cover. We have the title, the big title in here about my portfolio, and the description, my copyright text, and table of the contents about the author, CV, my projects, and certificate. Okay? Yeah, this is really old. It's getting so many mushroom in here. Yeah, so it's about me. Yeah, just a little introduction. I'm Orlins. I'm a visual designer which is passionate about learning branding, and my focus in the dynamic fields of design. It's not only UX, but can reach like video graphic or even graphic design. And next to my CV, this is my old CV that I redesigned in here. Yeah, you can see there are so many, start from the summary, experiences, my education, and many else. Okay? Still, my skills and course that I join, and the language that I master. So we move to my project, start from UX design. This is my first web design on 10th grade. I make a website design about e-commerce of automotive. This is the breakdown of the element which is I use for design this website, like the typography that I use and the color, and the link that I have put if you want to view the full preview. So next, still this is the snapshot capture of the design. If you want to see more preview, you can see in here. Yep, and then next. Okay, the second UX design, I make online course studying or education website. Which is I took the reference from Skillful and Rubik Graphics as the mood board, and this is the breakdown of the element that I use. The typography I use Plus Jakarta Sans as mostly people use, and the color I pick midnight blue or purple for the primary color. Okay, and also I put the link for the full preview. Okay, same the snapshot capture and also another showcasing project, but I think just skip for UX design. Let's just move to, yeah, still UX. I create so many, yeah. So last time it was web design. What about mobile design? So this is my first creation mobile design that I create on 10th grade. This is like music streaming, online music streaming that I took the reference from Spotify, and I put the name Mo Music, yeah, as the title of the application. And I just make three simple UI layers, like from the onboarding, homepage, and music playing. And this is the breakdown of the element that I use for designing this app. And this is the snapshot capture, the mockup, the logo. And next, this is the creation about sketch. I loving draw when I was junior high school, and when holiday of 10th grade, I create car sketch. So I do sketching as my hobby in home like that. So yeah. This is 3D. My first 3D design using Blender when I was 10th grade. So I picked a gym about 3D retro computer because why? Because I think it will be very easy to make and also very easy to me to duplicate 1 to 10 designs, which is no need to burn the original style. So yeah, this is the snapshot that you can see. Looks same, but if you watch a detail, you will see the differences. Yeah, still many, I don't know. I think this is the last about my certificate. Well, this is my certificate that I got after I talk on a school about mentoring UI UX design. And then this is a certificate that I have got after joining UI UX competition from university as the participant. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is the certificate from IDN that I got. Yeah, about honorable English. I don't know. And this is certificate that I got after finishing international course from Coursera. It's about Google UX design. Yeah, still same. Just about my certificate in here. In also certificate. And the last maybe yeah, this is the last certificate that I got in last year. Okay, I think we have reached the end of my portfolio design. What? Identity. I thought this is different, sir. I mean,
you can just tell.
Okay. So back then, where is it? This certificate I got after a talk a student. So I will tell a little bit experience from there. I talk on school named SMP Junior High School Islam Sahabat Ilmu. So this is like an Islamic school focusing on learn about dinia, tahfiz, and something religion. Yeah. So yeah, I bring at the time why I can talk in here. So I get I can say that I joining the promotion from my teacher to join this teaching program for IDN. And then I bring the material about graphic design and UI UX design. And I talk them about the fundamental of graphic design, the fundamental of UI UX design, the introduction of the software that we will use. And I bring Canva and Figma as the main or primary software for building or practicing, making the design. And after that, I bring a short bit literature about what the design is and what is the graphic and UI UX design for the student. So after that, we're doing some practice. So like a graphic design, I taught my student to create a graphic design which is there was the labs using their own laptop. They bring the laptop in school. Yeah, I asked them to practice making like a simple graphic design like a poster, banner, and then UI UX design like a simple UI login page and else. I think that's all and enough for me because I forget lah. So just close my presentation. And last I say, thank you for your attention, and I apologize for all the mistake that I have shared. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.